graag een beetje kaal.
Yeah. Nona wants the side almost bald. En de second, wil je lang houden, hè? Wat langer, niet zo lang als nu. Dus Nona wants an asymmetrical hairstyle. It's her own choice. And because the mother is also modeling for me, of course, it goes both ways. So she also wants to model. Wil je een rondje draaien? She turns around to show you her current hairstyle. You can already find her on YouTube in my channel. Okay, let's start on Nona. Hello friends on YouTube. She's back. Now she is the toughest model I have, I think, because she is young. She knows exactly what she wants. Start as always with protection, and then of course we have football, so we give her the Dutch cape. Because orange is the color of the Netherlands. But that you already know because you see them all go from left to right. Na 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 na. Now this young lady has a lot of hair, so I start wetting the hair, and then I can apply something new. I show you that. I put a photo of it into the video, and I do this a lot to young girls because it's getting summer now, and they have such a lovely summer colors. But they can be activated without damaging the hair. That I'm gonna show you. Van het pak haar hier, hè?
Ja. Goed.
Ja, je zou bijna aan de onderkant hier, omdat zo'n pak is, zou je ook een stukje kunnen doen. Dan heb je niet zo'n hele...
Ik vind dat wel mooi hoor, als de haar wat langer is.
Ja, vind ik ook mooi.
Ja.
Maar zoals nou is hij te lang. En te zwaar. Eigenlijk is nu deze lengte het mooist. Kaken heen. Talk in the meantime with her mother. Brush the moist through the hair. Now she likes to have the sides real short. So watch at the natural fall of the hair, because that's important in this case. And I start with applying a new product of Clint. It's 3%, so it's hardly anything. It's 10 volume, but this is on extra lifting base. So you take amount of it, and it works disinfecting. So if you have anything like you've been wounded or something, you can also disinfect your skin with it. So it doesn't damage the hair at all. There's a cream in it, so it nurses the hair also. And this I apply on the hair before I start. And this effect you will see when I dry the hair. Also this I brush through the hair. Now the hair is real smooth, easy going. Now I'm going to set it nearby so you can see where the natural lines are. Hallo. Zit aan die andere kant te lachen om jou. Denk je niet? In the meantime we talk Dutch to each other, so if you don't have translation, this is the Dutch language. Okay, she wants the sides ultra short. So lay the hair into the line of falling, go out on the line where I think I need to go out. Een beetje. You can hear she has very thick and strong hair. This she certainly has from her mother. Het is wel leuk, want het kan een mooi klein filmpje zijn dit. Kort genoeg?
Ik vind het wel interessant, denk ik.
Fotoclub erbij.
Kun je nog bij lachen?
Ja, de lakjes zijn soms een beetje op. Het is warm weer om te lachen.
Oh.
Hij wil eens kijken.
Nou, Nona kan heel mooi lachen. Maar hij heeft een kuiltje erbij, hè?
Ja. Ik heb wel eens een lach van me gezien. Ik heb ook foto's met lachen erop. Voel je dat het lekker kort genoeg is? Kun je het zien? Vind je het kort genoeg?
Ja.
Ja, want anders gaat de zon hier branden.
Ja.
Turn a bit. Now I have to find the way to the asymmetrical line, but I'm targeted on the chin line. I think for summer this line is too long. This is more a winter line. So when I know this, I know that I have to go to the fall of the skull on the back, because there I can find the line of the chin line. Even in the asymmetrical line, you use that lines. In this case, I started with the eyebrow bone as guide for myself. Clean my blades, come into the line of cutting, and make a nice soft overflow. What I told you, here is the fall of the skull. So I go in here and then I can target on the chin line, because the eyebrow bone travels nicely over the center of the skull bone and then into the chin line, and that's also the other way around. So if you know this, then you always have the perfect cut on the skull of the person you do the hair of. Gewoon dit pakje. Ik heb het. Now before I go further on this line, first set out the target lines. With this I start on the fall of the skull, go to the front, set the upper hair aside. So I want to see where the line is to the line of the chin line. Now I start on the line where I ended in the line on the back. And then I can see, of course, the line of the chin line. Lay all the hair nicely into the fall. And thank God we live in the Netherlands, because here, yeah, they find you special when you do something like this. But there are a lot of places in the world where, yeah, they would not allow it. That's a shame, because you must be free in things you want. It's your life, your thing. I'll turn a bit so you can see where I went. Target in the center line and on the chin line. Take a new line on it. Pin the upper hair aside. Make use of the roundings of the skull, so lay them nicely into the natural fall. This I bend behind the ear. I lay all the hair into the beautiful shapes she has. Het is leuk hè, de wiebelen van ik heb. Zit je wel lekker, schat?
Ja.
Nou, goed zo. Take the hair up, hold it between my fingers, turn it into the line of cutting. Give it a slight graduation with the fingers. So give it the rounding it needs. Take a new line on it. So she has a lot of hair. It's a real package of hair. Once again, continue on the line of parting. Heel even zo doen, schat, anders hebben ze niks aan de vullen. Heel even stilzetten, heel eventjes. Maar ook dat kun je goed. Lay the hair once again behind the ear, into the fall of the skull. They can see the line.
Wie is dat?
Die mevrouw.
Ja.
Nou, ik denk dat ze Vindies heet, denk je niet? Staat heel goed op. Then I take it up. Go one more time over the same line. Wordt het dan wat?
Ja.
Dit zo. Even lekker van de zomer, lekker een fris koppie. Coming to the last line. In the meantime, you can see that the 3% is lighting up the blonde colors in her hair. So it gives a certain golden feeling into the hair. Make sure I do all the hairs. Also on this, the line of target, I take only away the tips. Zo leuk die puurheid, hè? Ja, dan vanavond komt er ook een leuk model op.
Ja?
Ja, vinden, zo'n leuk model. Eerste keer op model, jong. Heel stoer kapsel.
En die heb je al gemaakt?
Ja. Die heeft powerkleuren. Peacock.
Wat zijn dat dan?
Ja, van die blauw, groen, turquoise. Beetje oliekleuren.
Oké.
Take the upper hair a little bit over the line of cutting. It's not much, mostly not. But I really don't like it when this little part, when she's going to swim, hangs over the rest. So I take off here ultra fine part. So now, whatever she does, the hair stays wonderful and in shape. Going to the fine fringe. It's not much, but it's a bit. Een stilte hier, hè? Is lekker stil hier? Stiller als in de klas, denk ik, hè?
Ja. Veel stiller.
Ja, hebben jullie veel gekletst in de klas?
Ja, vooral door de jongens. Die gaan in de klas spelen.
Ah, jongens, ja. Het zijn altijd de jongens.
Jongen.
Maar Bas, Eze en Milan die glijden gewoon door de klas heen.
Ja?
Ja.
Zijn de
Die doen
snoes
met de
die...
sliding.
Oh.
Now, with a small clipper, I clean the contour and then I can dry her hair. Let op, hè? Kietelt. Even naar beneden kijken. Nee, echt de buik. Goed zo.
Geeft ook een windje af.
Ja, dat doe ik. En dan niet met mijn billen. Dit een klein poepje dan, hè.
Echt superie.
Helemaal niet, poep is leuk.
Mama ook.
Mama laat ook scheetjes.
Ja.
Ja, zo zijn
Vooral
mama's.
papa. Vooral
Ja, papa kunnen toeteren, hè.
Dan ruik je naar bloemetjes.
Now I clean this, then I can dry the hair, then you can see what the 3% also does. Lay the upper hair aside. Blow drying. Zo leuk, hoe klein zon is. Zeker met de grote familie.
Ja, zie je jouw zuster nog wel allemaal?
Nee. We zijn er bijna. Iets met de ruimte opzetten. Bij de film ook makkelijker.
Is het klaar?
Ja. Alleen maar dadelijk foto's te maken. Not so far blow drying. I thank her for being my model. Thank you for watching. She will certainly turn around to show you the end result. And we see each other, of course, next video. Bye bye. Maar een rondje draaien, lieve. Kun je hem lachen tegen die mensen op YouTube? Zeggen ze, nou die is verdrietig over het kapsel. Dankjewel.
Ik ben Nona en ik wil dit graag een beetje kaal.
Yeah. Nona wants the side almost bald. En de second, wil je lang houden, hè? Wat langer, niet zo lang als nu. Dus Nona wants the asymmetrical hairstyle. It's her own choice. And because her mother is also modeling for me, of course, it goes both ways. So she also wants to model. Wil je een rondje draaien? She turns around to show you her current hairstyle. You can already find her on YouTube in my channel. Okay, let's start on Nona.
For the Piccadilly and Victoria line. Exit for Buckingham Palace.